Government of India changed the GST tax slabs in real estate from April 2019. Different kind of properties attract different rates of GST tax. An under construction affordable housing property may attract a different GST rate than a non-affordable categorized property. It will be even different than GST on a ready-to-move-in affordable housing project. Now first let's understand what kind of properties don't attract GST.
If you are buying any property that has been completed, what we say is ready to move in properties, whether it is a flat, it is a villa or any other property, if it is completed, there is a completion certificate for that, then there is no GST applicable on the same. First, no GST on this. Second, on any sale of land, if I am selling you an only land on which there is no construction done from the developer or seller or landlord or any person in the world, then it is mere sale of immovable property, which is land in this case, on which no GST is applicable. This is totally exempt or out of the scope of GST. Third point, if both these properties, whether these are ready to move in properties which have a completion certificate, or it is a piece of a plot, piece of a land which we are doing a resale, whether we as owner is doing a resale or developer is doing a resale, in both the cases GST is still not applicable on such a resale of property. Properties which are under construction, if you are getting a flat or you are getting a villa or you are getting a single unit constructed from a builder, on all these under construction properties, so in short, if you are buying any under construction properties, they are chargeable to GST. Now there are prima facie two GST rates. So what happened on 1st April 2019, GST rates were changed for the entire real estate industry. In case of residential projects, there are two GST rates. One is a 1% GST rate and another is a 5% GST rate. If you are buying any property which is categorized as affordable housing under the provisions of GST, then you need to pay to your developer mere 1% of GST. That's it. 1% of the total value he will charge you as GST if it is affordable housing. So what is affordable housing? So affordable housing means if a property that you are buying has a carpet area of 60 square meter, if it is in a metropolitan city, or if it is in any other city in India, then it is of up to 90 square meter, meaning thereby a smaller units, and the value of such property is less than 45 lakh rupees. If it is not an affordable housing, meaning thereby either the carpet area is more than the 60 square meter or 90 square meter, depending upon the place where your housing project is, or the value is more than the 45 lakh rupees. In such case, GST would be 5%. So you need to pay to your builder GST at the rate of 5% if it is a non-affordable housing project. So in case of commercial properties, be it a shop, be it an office, be it a godown or any other commercial properties, GST would be charged at the rate of 12%.
Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.